You obviously for send them kind and say, open say, or apply for Armenia visa. That is the e-visa for tourists, whether 4 months and now 1 month. Nebo nya the 100 cedi and then 500 cedi. Now make sure kwan obefa so obey no file phone and have our laptop. Go to your browser, whether Google, Safari, Chrome, and type mfa.am. Tentemo kakra netre e-visa. Let's search it. Now search here, the MFA na abano. We first one here, that's we. Click it so. Okay, click so what's saying? E-visa issuance system, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Republic of Armenia. Baby bien who are e-visa and say aha. And it was they apply for e-visa. Check application status. Now okay, yemfa employment, yenya employment visa ewo Ghana emfa nko Armenia. Now ye de visited visa na tourist visa ni rem. Now kwa within the 4 months now while looking for a juma. Na a juma no na assessment of visa amount. Now e-visa no we nkwa na e-visa. E-visa bia ni baby we ni business asa. Now visited visa up to 21 days, that is 1 month. say $8 in 100 cedi. Now visitors visa up to 120 days, that is 4 months. say $39 in 500, 450 or 460. E-visa processing time is up to 3 working days, 3 days pay. Inti yanko apply for e-visa. Aha was day check your eligibility. Ahana say Ghana and Kahwa ebetre. Inti was a purpose of visit. Yemfa tourist and our business. Also travel document a day, yeah, ordinary passport. Ahana yebebo country no say the travel document issuing country. All right, say Ghana and Kahwa yebeba on say waha. Inti yen check it. Go down, G. Ala Ghana ne waha no. The select Ghana. E doko before say the bo email show. I have this email already. Or say bo we show. That is XXLX95. Inti connect. Or say the confirmation email was sent to you, the email I provided. So let's go to our email and check whether it is there. Hola, anabano. Inti yan click so. Okay. Inti yan we. On the tie. Ah. Inti yan the answer boso. Exactly what I'm looking for. Inti obibia obijana baby aka say e-visa no Ghana is not there bia no. I don't know what you are saying. What you are saying. So ya trap country confirmation now I'm pay your passport details. Now aha what your passport number besha aha your date your issue ma aha your expiry date aha your birth din aha your wabusu din aha your date of birth. Now yenhwa has a Ghana so sha country baby are free. Ghana wa had a code. Ghana ni had ya wala Ghana na sha no. What you say? Now about your date of birth. Now about juma so you student and know about what you say. Have you been convicted of any offense? No, that is it. What address e Ghana no abasha. What address or phone number e Ghana no abasha. Contact in Armenia. Unim kwa abefa so abenya test me privately. Me make sure kwa abefa so abenya address e Armenia. That is when ubuki hotel reservation na phone number obenya bi ho. Now I say passport size photo like picture na ekoti na konwa so etwa na wachi ye white background no and na obey upload wa ha aha say no obey attach your passport na ankasa mu e wa ha obey attach no wa ha PDF what you say aha eni hia me pa now documents are obey here ni invitation, air ticket, hotel reservation, medical insurance and proof of fund. Now after this video no may video about how you are going to get invitation separate. Air ticket, hotel reservation, medical insurance may yet are 3 non so video at the amount. Na proof of funds, no make sure I will be now proof of fund and also different videos. So expect 3 different videos from me in the next 3 days. Like tomorrow, the next day, and the next day. Alright. So we submit this money in area what next. What next I do beba. Now say me person put to me passport name ni any other ibiano and untia. Now purpose and duration. Aha, so we drew her. We say ope 1 month and now 4 months. No pick 4 months depending on the opesa onye. No busa say Obeba Ghana da bay. No what schedule time and 4 months they no now they see what trash ho. I say udru ha say ya. Enyema wabasha oni udini nyina. Opesa won cross checking verse bibia okay ya. Now cross check now connect. Aha. Na what they abichia usika nti o ese wonye sa 400 cedi na 450 cedi no ready e credit card so. Unim credit card a wo de beto a na aka che mechechwem na o de ide o de atua. Utua na watwen for 3 days. 3 days no. Na why then? O abecheke. Eno ano no. Why?